Hey little Pingus, are you all ready to listen to some lovely and amazing stories? Then stay tuned.
Ollie the Octopus and the Playroom Miss.
Once upon a time, in a colorful playroom under the sea, Ollie the Octopus and his friends loved to play together. Every day, they gathered around and did what they loved the most: drawing, playing with toys, and making fun things. There was Sharky, who loved building toy castles, Bubbles, who loved blowing bubbles with her toy bubble wand, and Krabby, who loved to create fun puzzles. But there was one friend who was a little different: Ollie. Ollie had 8 wiggly legs, and with 8 legs, he could play with all the toys at once. Zoom, zoom! He grabbed this toy and then that one, and then played with them all at the same time. I'll play with this, I'll play with that, I'll do everything, Ollie said, wiggling his arms everywhere, getting caught up in all the fun. But, every time Ollie played, he made a huge mess. Swish and whoosh! Toys went flying everywhere. Crayons went clink and clank on the floor. And pencil shavings went shree under the table. Ollie was always so excited, he never thought about cleaning up. He would leave the crayons and sharpener right there on the table. Oh no! He never put the toys back where they belonged. At first, Ollie's friends didn't mind. They thought it was funny and didn't mind cleaning up once in a while. Wiggle, wiggle! It's okay, they would say, laughing. But soon, the mess got bigger and bigger, and every time they had to clean up after Ollie. Now that's not right. The toys were scattered everywhere, the crayons went under the table, and the table was full of pencil shavings. Tap tap went Sharky's fin on the table. Oh, Ollie again! Sharky sighed. Clink clink went Bubbles as she accidentally stepped on some crayons. Ah! I stepped on them again, she said, rubbing her fin. Krabby looked around at the mess and clinked his claws. Look at this mess! The floor looks like a crayon rainbow. Every time they had to clean, it was never fun. They had to pick up all the toys, the papers, and the crayons swoosh and shirr all over again. One day, while they were playing, Sharky, Krabby, and Bubbles looked at each other. Sigh! They decided to play somewhere else because the mess spread by Ollie was too much. No one wanted to clean up anymore. Friends, why aren't you playing with me? Ollie asked, swimming over, his arms wiggling in confusion. How do you think Ollie felt when his friends started playing without him? Can you make a sad face like Ollie? Sharky swam over and said, Ollie, we like playing with you, but you never clean up. Every time we play, We have to pick up the toys, clean the table, and pick up the crayons from under the table. Bubbles nodded.
And the floor stays all messy. It's not fun when we clean every time, Ollie. The table is full of sharpenings and crumbs.
Krabby clinked his claws and sighed. And the worst part is, you never help, Ollie. We wish you would clean up too. Ollie's heart sank. Thud, thud went Ollie's big heart. He had no idea his mess was making his friends so upset.
Oh no, I didn't realize,
Ollie said, feeling sorry.
I just wanted to play and have fun with everyone.
Sharky smiled softly.
We can still play with you, Ollie, but next time you need to clean up after you play. When we all clean up, it makes everything so much more fun.
Ollie thought for a moment, his eyes lighting up.
I can do that,
he said, his arms wiggling with excitement.
I'll clean up after I play so we can all have fun together.
The very next time they played, Ollie made sure to clean up. Swish! He put all the toys back in their boxes. Clink, clink! He carefully put the crayons back in their case. And whoosh! He wiped down the table. Ollie picked up the sharpener and pencil shavings from under the table. He even swept the floor to make sure that there were no messes left. His friend smiled and said,
Good job, Ollie!
And guess what? From that day on, they all had fun and the playroom stayed nice and clean. There was no more mess, just more playtime and lots of giggles. So kids, do you put your toys back after playing? Just like Ollie does now? Let's all pretend we are cleaning up after playing. Let's pick up the toys and crayons together. What do we learn from the story? We learn that cleaning up shows responsibility and respect for others. Just like Ollie learned, when we clean up ourselves, we take care of our space and show our friends that we respect them. That way, everyone can enjoy playtime together.